Hi, I just thought I'd record this quick how-to because I got caught out by this and it took me a while to figure it out. And I figured, let me just quickly record the solution. It'd be a very short video and it's pretty obvious once you have figured out what you need to do. This may be helpful to someone else. So if you're trying to set a video thumbnail in make.com using the set video thumbnail module, what I was doing is I was putting in the image that I wanted to use to set the thumbnail. And that wasn't working. I was looking, why is that not working? Once you figured it out, it's blindingly obvious. But here's what you need to do. So just before you do the set of thumbnail, use the HTTP module and get a file. So this input here is the URL of the file that we want to set as the thumbnail. It's publicly available in a cloud storage bucket that we've got. And what that does is when you look at the output, you get the image as hex, basically hex codes. That's the raw image file data. And then what you need to do in your YouTube set a file, I'll click on map just to show you. You need to go in here and you need to get the data element from the getter file. Now the file you need to get needs to be a JPEG or a PNG. It won't work with other file formats. And then you get that file. You don't need the file name. You don't need anything else. You just need that data, which will then show a bit like this. Hit save, and then when you run it, that successfully sets the YouTube thumbnail image. I'll show you very quickly how that worked for us. So it goes through here, and this image was entirely created by AI, so I'm playing around with putting my face into it because apparently it makes a difference. It actually does empirically make a difference, but staring at my face all day is kind of a bit disconcerting. But anyway, that's how you get it working. You need to push up the binary file data of that image. I hope this helps someone else. I wasted about 45 minutes trying to figure this out because the documentation on make.com is, well, basically zero. Thank you for watching.